single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great.
Okay guys, so I already completed the back and hot water the back, but I left a little section here to do on camera. So it's about 4 I have left, so I'm going to do those on camera and show it to you guys. So I'm gonna part out my squares, and I already have the sections ready. The sections ready, so it makes it easier for me to finish a little faster. So I'm gonna take this piece, and the hair I'm using is the Super Jumbo Braid by Canon, and it's in the color 1B. I don't have the original pack, but this is what it looks like. Can you guys see that? Oh, that's what it looks like. It's in a blue pack, and I bought 5 of them, and I'm using all 5, every last piece. So I'm down to the last 4 from the 5 packs, and I cut them in half, and this is the length I get when I cut them in half. So what I'm going to do now is, let me clip this piece away. Okay, so I'm gonna fray the ends, get them a bit tapered so it's not this blunt, so I have ends to plait out. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but I'm doing this to suit myself until I am pleased. So I just feather out the ends, get them, you know, long, so I get the length that I want. And then sometimes I'll split it in half, switch it to the other end, and go again until I get the desired length I want and it's, you know, evenly feathered out. So that's what I do. So I'm okay with this right now. That's fine for me. So next I'm going to take 1/3. So this piece is a bit smaller than this piece, and then I'm gonna go ahead and bring it over on top. So that's how it looks now, right? So this is gonna be 1 piece, 2 piece, and this piece here is gonna be 1 piece. So that's 3 pieces for my braid, right? So 3 pieces. So that's how I do mine. Okay, so for attaching the braid to my hair, I'm not going to split my hair in 3. I'm just going to use this as 1 section. So I'm going to put the hair over like this, and my hair is going to go on the middle piece. So any piece I have in the middle, that's the piece I'm going to put my hair under. And then I'm just going to start braiding, just regular braid. So that's how I do mine. So I put my hair under the middle piece. So I have 1 piece here. Can you guys see that? I have 1 piece here, 1 piece with the braid, 1 piece with my hair, and then the other piece. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start braiding just like normal. And even though it looks tight, it's not tight. I'm not doing it too tight because I want to be able to sleep at night. So I'm not doing it too tight. So when I reach to a length that I'm okay with, I flip it around and continue braiding. So that's how I do my braids. And if you look, you know, it's not tight, it's loose, so I can put my hair in any direction. That's why I make it loose, so I can put the braid in any direction. So if I want to do a side part, I can throw it over this side and it doesn't look funny. So that's how I do mine. So I'm just gonna continue braiding and repeat that same step for the other 3 braids. So I hope you guys understood what I just showed you, but I'm gonna do it again for the last braid, but I'm just gonna speed this up so you guys don't have to sit and watch me braid this thing down. So I'll come back and explain on the last braid. Alright, so we're on our last one. Okay, so we're on our last braid. Oh jeez, I'm sweating, I'm so hot. But anyways, last braid, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna feather out the ends so I can get some ends to braid down too. You don't want a blunt cut. So I pull it apart, mix it, pull it again until I get the desired length and featheredness, if that's a word that I want. So I am fine with that. So we're gonna go ahead and start. So section the hair into 1/3 or a third over here and then the other piece over here. So it's 2 big pieces. So 1 small piece, 1 big piece. Cross over the small piece on top and then pull 2 small pieces together. So that gives you 1 braid, 1 piece, 2 piece, 3 piece. So we need 3 pieces to braid. Okay, so we have our last piece. I'm gonna see if I can zoom in so you guys can see. Hold on. See what I am doing here. Alright. Hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Alright, so we have our hair. Have 1, 2, 3 pieces and 1 piece of our hair. So I flip my hand over and I'm going to, sorry. Alright, so I'm gonna hold, so I'm holding my fingers like this. Don't mind the tape on my hand, guys, but I'm gonna hold my hair like this, just how I would braid. So when I put my hand up there, it's already ready to braid. Right? So I hold on to this piece, hold on to this piece. This is the piece you're going to put on our hair. So hold this piece, put the middle piece on our hair, so like this. So the middle piece is on our hair, so we have 1, one piece, middle piece with our hair, and the third piece right here. So now my hand is already in the position to braid, so that's what I'm going to do, just start braiding. You see what I'm doing? So I'm just gonna go ahead and start braiding. You have to hold the hair firmly in place. Can you guys see? I hope you guys can see. So I'm just braiding normally. Just braid down. I'm not borrowing any piece from any piece. Just braid straight down. That is why I have my 3 pieces already sectioned, because I don't want to take any piece. I don't want to borrow from any piece. So that's why we have our 3 pieces already sectioned, and that's it. And then we're just gonna braid it down. If you didn't get that, just rewind, replay, and you will get it. If not, if you don't understand from me showing you, if you don't understand from me showing you, there are tons of videos here on YouTube showing you how to do a braid. So, but this is just how I do it. It's easier for me that way. So, see these ends? These ends are gonna go in the hot water. When they go in the hot water, they'll lay down and look like this. So this is the finished look, you guys. I love it. Yep, and it reaches me about breast length. Yeah, and this is it from the back. I'm in love. I haven't even seen it from the back, but you guys saw it first. So this is how it looks, and I just jazz it up a bit with these hair beads, and this one, I really like this one. But anyways, so I just jazz it up with some of these beads, these gold ones, and this one is a little seashell hanging on it, and I think it came out looking really nice. I love it. So I'm gonna try and keep this in for at least a month, maybe a month and a half, I'm not sure, but I'm trying to go for a month. But yeah, so that's why I did it so small. And I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yeah, so all in all, it took a good minute to do because I wasn't gonna stay up late last night. I started it yesterday and then I stopped at around 4:30, 5 o'clock to go and make dinner and then continue it. So I woke up this morning at 8 and I started right away. And I am done now. So yeah, it took me 2 days. And 5 packs of braiding here. So yeah, I really like it. Leave a comment down below, guys, what you think, because I absolutely love it. I'm in love. I'm in love. So you know I'm gonna be taking pictures like hella crazy. But yeah, this is the hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial slash hairstyle or whatever. So yeah, until my next video, bye guys.